Are you looking for ways to stop your cat from meowing excessively? In this video, we'll discuss why cats meow, how to determine if your cat's meowing is excessive, and steps you can take to train your cat to stop meowing excessively. But before we get started, I want to remind you that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to replace the advice of a veterinarian or other qualified pet care professional. Always consult with a professional before implementing any changes to your pet's care or behavior. Also, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more pet care tips and advice. By subscribing, you'll be notified of new videos as soon as they're released, so you can stay up to date on the latest information. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. While meowing is normal behavior for cats, excessive meowing can be a problem that disrupts your household and potentially indicates an underlying issue. In this video, we will discuss why cats meow, how to determine if your cat's meowing is excessive, and steps you can take to train your cat to stop meowing excessively. First, let's talk about why do cats meow. Cats meow for a variety of reasons, including communication, attention-seeking, hunger, and illness. For example, a cat may meow to greet you when you come home, to ask for food, or to express discomfort or pain. Meowing is just one form of communication for cats. They also communicate through body language, scent marking, and vocalizations like hissing or growling. It's important to pay attention to your cat's meows and other forms of communication to understand their needs and address any underlying issues. So how do you know if your cat's meowing is excessive? Some signs to look out for include frequency, duration, and context. For example, if your cat meows constantly throughout the day, or meows loudly and persistently at night, this may be considered excessive. Other factors to consider include the cat's age, breed, and overall health. Senior cats, for example, may meow more frequently due to cognitive decline or medical issues like hyperthyroidism. If you're not sure if your cat's meowing is excessive, it's always a good idea to consult with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying medical issues. Now we will talk about the steps to train your cat to stop excessive meowing. The key to training your cat to stop excessive meowing is positive reinforcement. This means rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, or playtime. Here are some specific steps you can take. Identify triggers for excessive meowing. Start by observing your cat's behavior and identifying what triggers their excessive meowing. Is it hunger, boredom, anxiety, or something else? Redirect your cat's attention. Once you've identified the triggers, redirect your cat's attention by offering them toys or treats. For example, if your cat meows for attention, try playing with them or offering them a puzzle feeder toy. Reinforce quiet behavior. When your cat stops meowing or shows quiet behavior, reward them with praise or a treat. This will reinforce the behavior and encourage them to continue being quiet. Gradually increase the amount of time your cat is quiet. Start by rewarding your cat for a few seconds of quiet behavior, then gradually increase the amount of time before giving a reward. This will help your cat learn that being quiet is a desirable behavior. In addition to training, there are other strategies you can use to reduce your cat's excessive meowing. Provide ample playtime and mental stimulation. Cats need plenty of playtime and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Offer your cat toys, puzzle feeders, or a scratching post to keep them entertained and engaged. Establish a regular feeding routine. Cats are creatures of habit and thrive on routine. Establish a regular feeding routine to help reduce hunger-related meowing. Address any underlying medical issues. If your cat's meowing persists despite training and environmental changes, consult with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying medical issues. In summary, excessive meowing in cats can be a disruptive problem, but with patience and positive reinforcement training, you can help your cat learn to stop meowing excessively. Remember to observe your cat's behavior, identify triggers, and redirect their attention when necessary. And always remember to reward good behavior with treats, praise, or playtime. By addressing your cat's excessive meowing and providing them with the right amount of attention and mental stimulation, you can help create a more harmonious household for both you and your furry friend. Thank you for watching this video on training your cat to stop excessive meowing. If you have any additional tips or experiences, Please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful pet care tips and advice.